Female version karaoke yan. Thank you po sa mga nag-share ng live kay Queen of King Heart. Hello po. Idol, miss namin yung vlogs mo. Huwag kayong mag-alala guys. Mag-upload na rin ako ng Miguel soon. Ayan. Mataas ba yun?
Mataas. Ito ba yun? Hindi ito yun eh.
Ito female ko yan.
Ano pa rin yan? Taas. Kay Ella kasi yung version niya.
Good night po. Good night Marco Mar. Shoutout kay Jesuel. Meron ako last song. Mana ka sa akin.
We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asked me,
Joy Narbonita. Thank you po. Thank you po. Galing naman ako magkapatid na ito. Thank you po, Jaja.
Ganda talaga ng kantang ko.
Omsim, omsim, omsim. Shoutout, Jeswell.
It's time to go home now, and I'm gonna make it. I give it a kiss, and she helps me to bed, and then I tell her, as it turns out the light, I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. Thank you po.
Ayan. Last song na tayo, guys. Last song na tayo, Diana. May nakita ko, last duet natin. Yung